Welcome to the MyToyota app introduction by McCarty Toyota and how to use the app to book your Corolla Cross. It is as simple as downloading the app MyToyota from the Play Store or the iStore if you're an Apple user. Once you've downloaded the app, you open the app. The sign-up functionality will be there for if you're a first-time user of the app. If you've bought a vehicle from Toyota before, you can use your ID or passport number. That includes Automark. If you're a new customer, you have to complete your profile. In my particular case, we've already done that. So login will then be used by your email account. Once you've entered your login account, it will go through and give you a one-time password. That one-time password will then give you access into the app. It's just a better, more convenient way of being secure, and you're keeping your data safe. You'll have to accept the terms and conditions for the MyToyota app. It is a 4-digit code, 8261, and it's a once-off password. Give it a few seconds. You'll have to accept the terms and conditions. There's a variety of other elements to this app, but for the purpose of this demonstration, we will be showing the My Showroom, where you would select the vehicle, reserve now. It will give you the options of the vehicles in the range. If you know which vehicle you would like, you can just tap on it. For example, the 1.8 XR CVT. It will give a few seconds to actually load the vehicle. What is nice about this section, it will actually have the ability to turn the vehicle around. You can have a look at the vehicle in real time as a render. In step 1, you'll have to allocate which dealership you would prefer as your preferred dealership. Here at Hatfield Toyota, we deliver nationwide, so we feel that if you're comfortable with our service, that you'll only require us. Select Hatfield Toyota. It is a step-by-step process, relatively straightforward. You select the color, and it will show it to you. I particularly like the gray. Here you can add accessories. It will load off, and you can scroll up a little bit, and you can render the vehicle in real time in front of you. It will allow you to add, for example, a tow bar, and you can customize the vehicle, and you can see the tow bar, and if you're quite happy with it, you can go back, and it will give you a summary of the vehicle and the total cost. Reserve now. Once you've done that, you have the option to add netstar tracking. If you have a trade-in, you can load the trade-in under that functionality. Now, if you are looking for traditional finance, we offer that service as well. Future drivers are a new exciting product. If you wish to find out more, please contact our dealership. It is a finance option for 3 years with a guaranteed value in the future. Easier than that you cannot find. The alternative is cash. Once you've done that, you can review the vehicle, and if you're happy with the vehicle, you can go to step next. And once you've done all of that, you can confirm the vehicle, and what will happen is you'll get a one-time password coming to your phone. That one-time password you would then provide to the dealership once they give you a call, and then your vehicle will be reserved. Let's see if I can quickly get that one-time password coming through on the app. But it is as simple as that to use, and use the app to book and reserve your vehicle that is coming to South Africa soon.